Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to pair your Sony WF C500 earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. First, put both earbuds in the case and charge them for about 20 minutes via the USB-C port and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, open the case, remove the earbuds and click and hold both the left and right buttons together until the indicators start blinking quickly. You'll also hear a notification that they are in pairing mode. Put them close to your iOS device, go to Settings, open Bluetooth and wait for the earbuds to appear in the list, then select them. Once connected, you can also download the Sony Headphones app from the App Store. Open the app and perform the first setup by picking your region and accepting the permissions. You can skip restoring previous settings and set them up as new. You can also skip the 360 sound setup. You are now successfully connected to the Sony app. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it.